Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. I designed these new summer theme sticker sheets and a matching printable for my July bullet journal. It's very fun to create these summer stickers and this printable. I really enjoy using these stickers that are full of the summer vibes. I also created a matching set of many monthly headers and days of the week printable stickers. Now let's get started. First, I'm creating my first weekly spread for July. I'm designing the left page as the quote page and the right page as the weekly spread. First, I'm dividing the right page into 8 spaces, then drawing some botanical leaves on the bottom of these pages. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with a new video. I'm really thankful for your support and encouragement to my channel and my videos. I'm using the quote from my summer day printable. This summer outfits with this quote, "Sunshine on my mind," adds a very relaxing feeling to this page. Then I'm using a black brush pen to draw a frame around this quote. I'm using my monthly headers printable to add the days of the week for the weekly spread on the right page. Then drawing some drop shadows for the weekday stickers. That's all for this page design. Next is my second weekly spread setup. First, I'm dividing these 2 pages into 8 sections. I'm using pastel green to draw some freestyle background lines for the days of the week stickers. Then I'm using my printable stickers for the days of the week. I'm adding the stickers for my summer fun and my summer love sticker sheets to this page to decorate it. Putting these summer vibe stickers on the pages feels like I'm going into a very happy adventure. Do you feel the same as me? Lastly, I'm drawing some drop shadows and some baby pink decorative lines for each section. Next, I'm making my third weekly spread. I really like this weekly layout because I can add many different elements to these pages and make the spread look more interesting. I'm adding this July sticker from my 2021 mini calendar stickers on the top of the left page. Then I'm adding my other days of the week printable stickers to the pages. I like these pastel colored designs because they are very easy to match for many different color palettes. I'm drawing a box on the center of the left page for notes. Then drawing some drop shadows to add some dimension to the stickers. Lastly, adding some fun summer stickers on the top corner of the right page. That's it for my third weekly spread. Finally, it's my last weekly spread. I'm designing the weekday spaces on the lower part of the pages. Then I'm using the light blue and the baby pink brush pens to decorate the pages. I'm adding the days of the week stickers from my other gray colored planner sticker sheet. Then I'm arranging some summer stickers to decorate the top of these two pages. Writing the dates and adding the July title on the top. Finished. This is the final flip through for my July weekly spread designs. I hope you liked this summer vibe setup. Don't forget to check out this summer themed printable and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using them. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!